doctor who set out to introduce direct primary care to Wichita Falls residents says 4 years later, people have grown more receptive to the idea of medical care on a monthly membership insurance-free plan.
Very interesting. Shatanya Clark looked into the progress Clarity Direct Care has made over the years and joins us now. Shatanya, we understand more physicians are hopping on board.
That's right, Lauren. So much so that a new practice is making its way to the Falls in January 2022.
I want to be able to give people good care and make sure they have access to us.
This is Dr. Jeffrey Swanson.
My wife and I, Dr. Teswick, we had decided probably a year or so ago that we wanted to find a way of practicing medicine that allowed us to have a better relationship with our patients, where we could spend more time with them and not be hurried, and actually be able to provide the care we know we can provide and our training provided us with. Without having the insurance and the insurance requirements dictate how we provided that care.
And that's when Swanson and his wife connected with someone who has been providing direct primary care for 4 years now in Wichita Falls, Dr. Kissy Blackwell of Clarity Direct Care.
We think it's important to try to grow this movement. It is a grassroots movement by physicians to sort of take back our specialty and really kind of bring back that doctor-patient relationship that we really think is the most important part of medicine.
I think it's going to reduce a lot of the burnout that we're seeing right now with physicians. Having panels that are more manageable and they get to enjoy the job more, they're more likely to stay long-term and develop those relationships with those patients.
Blackwell and Swanson say they believe patients want that option as well. Swanson says over the course of the pandemic, he saw a need for this service.
People just could not see their doctor, so they end up going to the ER or the walk-in clinics. And that just amplified what I knew was happening, where people just could not access their physicians.
If there are any doctors in town that are thinking about doing this or thinking that this is the right way to go for them, then I would absolutely say please contact me. I would be so glad to sit down with you.
Blackwell, who started her practice with 300 patients, now has 730 enrolled, and Swanson encourages residents to do their research and reach out if they believe this form of practice would best suit them.
And in addition to the practice here, there's also Texoma Direct Primary Care in Burke Burnett. Enrollment is now open for Swanson's practice, Stratos DPC, which again opens in January. That will be on 9th Street downtown.
What a great idea.
That's so
right?
interesting. Yeah.
Okay, Shatanya, thanks.
Now, if you'd
much.
like to compare the price with what you currently pay for your insurance, we have that link for you over on our website.
Okay.